Yeah, Roger Drew. Yeah, it's not making for a good video on my side at the moment with Skip just being low there, my friend. But at least I'm getting out there. I don't know if it's made a difference or what, but it seems to be working, Drew. Very nice to hear your voice in my radio again. It must be what, 11, 12 days, my friend, since we last spoke? Yeah, that's good to know then, Drew. That's good to know. We'll see how it runs for a week or so, and then I'll switch it over again. But we've got a lot calmer winds now this side, my friend, and yeah, those storms that we've had for the past week or so have subsided, so that's a blessing there. And nearly forgot there, Drew. Happy New Year, my friend, QSL. Yeah, well, that D104 sounding okay, Drew. Like I say, the signal is very low with a lot of noise on the frequency. I don't know where that's come from. The frequency was quiet up until about 10 minutes ago, and then I just seem to have 7 pound of noise just came out of nowhere. I don't know if it's local interference or what, but yeah, you've got good audio on that microphone, Drew. Sounding very good on that QT40 QSL.
Okay, QSK, Needlebender 01. This is the RT-22. Do you have copy, Kate? Yes, my friend. I hope everything went well. I still haven't answered you.
I could just about hear Kate then, but I've got a little bit of noise on the frequency.
But you're sounding really great. Your radio's punching 5.7 and 7.9. Massive audio.
See, I've got 7 of noise at the moment. No idea where that's come from. I can't hear Kate at all now. I can just about hear Kate. I can faintly hear Kate's voice pattern. I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. Just every now and again.
Even the west coast of the states here in California, I guess they had waves. I was watching them, and it was these jets that came right over their barriers. So who knows? But it's cold. I know that 17 degrees maybe, and it's just cold out.
See, Drew's audio came up really nice then.
QSL, yeah. I've answered them a few times, nothing back, and I get around the state back up again also. So, hey, can I just give a call out to Delta X-ray 444 and ask him if he's hearing needle bender 01? I think I might have lost my connection.
Did you lose the connection with Kate, Drew?
Yeah, Kate was out there talking to me. Yeah, she's been talking the whole time. I just wondered if you were picking up on it.
Yeah, I could actually hear Kate. I've still got that signal 7 of noise, Drew. But I could hear Kate just riding above the top of it with a voice pattern. I couldn't really hear anything she was saying, but if you can hear me, Kate, Happy New Year, and all the very best to you for 2024. Yeah, I could just about make out the voice pattern, Drew, but not really a contact, I would say. But you came up there to about 8-9, Drew, and that audio sounds fantastic on that 104, my friend QSL. There she is. Still very faint. If that noise wasn't there, I'd get her no problem.
Okay, 5-3, stand by for a moment. Glenn wanted me to send to you his best wishes for a very happy new year. 19, like 2024. And I'm going to send wishes back to my cousin Glenn, Delta X-ray 444 from Kate, wishing you a very happy new year.
Thank you very much for that, Drew. I'll let you continue with Kate for as long as it runs, my friend QSL. Do you notice every single time I can hear Kate, there's always something that goes wrong, either multiple QSKs which stamp her out, and then I've got like this 7 signal of noise at the moment. It's crazy. I need the skip gods to give me a break.
I'm starting to lose my skip, guys. So what I'm going to do is I did hear that last station out of Nottingham. I don't know if you can hear me back, but we'll be around. We'll catch it again. Roger. You too, my friend. Hope all is well, and the skip is running today. And hope you have a great new year on the board.
I think that's a Mike Whiskey station, Nottingham. I can barely hear him.
Roger on that, that's me.
I do like the sound of that 104, Drew. Obviously the skip's not that good today, and I've got that noise, but it does sound good on that QT40. I think if that noise wasn't coming in, I'd probably be getting like a 4-5 and a radio 4 from Drew, but when he rises up to the 8-9, that microphone sounds fantastic. It's a D104, he's been working on it. Yeah, the skip's not really lifted. But Drew's the only stateside station I've heard today. Across the board. Must be those ley lines. Oh, here we go. Ontario, Canada coming through well.
we're trying. Go again, unit, go again.
Yeah, there was an Ontario, Canada station calling in there, Drew. Could you hear him?
Briefly was in and out, and I thought so. That's amazing. I'll try this again, guys. 762, Eastern Ontario, Canada. Personal mark. I'm just being able to hear you guys a little bit. I'm wondering if you hear me, but I'm going to try again. 762, Eastern Ontario. Personal is marked. Ontario, this is NY-202.
Ah, Drew's got
Radio
him.
Tango 22, Radio Tango 22, United Kingdom call, waving a hand.
And there's Paul.
I got you're doing well, 3 and 5. Got a few stations are coming in, but that's great. I guess conditions are starting. The sun is just getting up here, so conditions are starting to be good for me. But listen, guys, I'll be on this satellite again, and I do appreciate it.
Yeah, Skip's
I wish all of you a happy New Year.
very lazy today.
Radio Tango 22, Radio Tango 22, United Kingdom call, waving a hand. I copy that. Well, you're doing about the same here, my friend. You're doing about the same, but for the conditions.
Why didn't he take this guy somewhere else? He knows we're talking on here.
It will get better as the day come along. But I wish you a happy New Year too.
Well, you know, with all due respect, you know.
Merry Christmas late. But yeah, I'll be standing by, and I'm sure we'll be listening in, and I appreciate the comeback 7-3, guys. Radio Tango 22, Radio Tango 22, United Kingdom call, waving a hand.
Paul sounds nice on his on that radio. Very nice. Do like the audio on that. Very powerful, punchy, very strong.
Radio Tango 22, Radio Tango 22, United Kingdom call, waving a hand.
Yeah, good afternoon, Paul. I'm not sure if Drew's tied up talking to somebody else at the moment, Paul.
Yeah, is my audio low, Glenn?
No, it sounds beautiful, Paul. I just made a comment on the video and how nice it sounds.
Alright, because Odin come on further down the band and said my audio was low.
No, definitely not. Nice lad, puncher.
Yeah, we had to buy another radio again, didn't I?
Oh dear.
You're real loud there. How about it, 0-10? If I tell you what it is, you'll laugh.
Go on.
A Yaesu FT-DX 5000 limited edition. Charlie, you're sounding real good.
Wow. Sounds very nice, Paul.
I got it for steel. Just let my horses out of my barn.
Yeah, you always get those bargains, my friend.
Swapped, believe it or not, I bought for swap for one of these on Facebook. I swapped two FT710s and they both stood me at 1,500 quid.
That's an absolute bargain, that is, Paul.
And I got the DMU management unit, what goes at the side of it as well.
Oh, you got the full kit then.
Yeah, mate, yeah.
Yeah, you lucky git.
I'm going to keep this one though, Glenn. Fucking I made a mistake getting rid of the others.
Well, I did say to you.
So this one's stopping.
I'll give you a month, you'll have something else.
That's a good thanks to you. And I've actually missed this radio, and I think they're a brilliant radio, to tell you the truth. Better than the 101 MP and all them.
Yeah, of course, yeah. And it's a limited edition as well, so it's definitely a keeper, Paul.
Yeah, it's fully filtered and it's got everything what you can ever put in it.
Very nice, very nice. Definitely got a good bargain there. Let me just see if Drew's still there. 202 New York, how about it, Drew? Are you still by the frequency, my friend?
762, if you're calling for me, yes, I'm still here. Go ahead.
Yeah, 762, I think you said Eastern Ontario, personal name Mark. 26 Delta X-ray 444, City of Nottingham, UK this way, my friend, QSL.
Hey, 444 for sure. You're sounding real good too. Real clear, good sounding station. You're 9 over and sounding like a 20. That's a real good sounding station.
Yeah, thank you for the flowers, Mark. You're sounding good yourself there. I have another station local to me as well, Paul, Radio Tango 22. Would you like to give Mr. Paul a call there, Mark?
Hey, for sure. How about it, Mr. Paul? Hey, Mr. Paul, you have a copy on Mark here in Eastern Ontario?
Yeah, Roger, Mark. You to me, £9, Radio 5.
I heard you a little bit on that one, Paul, but Ireland covered you right up. But I heard you in there, so I'll tell you good afternoon for you guys. And 762 here, Mark. I'll be here listening in.
Cheers, Mark. 73's best wishes to you and your family. Happy New Year.
Yeah, best wishes to you there. Losing the skip this side, Mr. Mark, but thank you for the short QSO and Happy New Year to you, my friend.
Right back at you, my friend, and I do appreciate the comeback. We're starting the new year on the right foot. This is perfect, and I'm enjoying my day, and I hope you all do. And we'll be listening, and I don't want to plug up the stations, but like my mother told me, we got one pie hole and we got 2 ears, so you got to listen more than each other. Copy?
Yeah, well, she was very smart there saying that, Mark. Definitely on the ball. Okay, 762 Eastern Ontario. You have a good day, my friend. Many blessings for 2024. 444. We're going quiet this way, my friend. Yeah, I think we're losing the skip, Paul. I'm just going to take a standby and just get in touch with Drew.
Yeah, all right then, mate. I think it's because my area, I've only got it to gutter right.
Yeah, 202. Was that you, Drew? Oh, I thought I heard Drew call in there, Paul. All right, Paul, I'll just take a standby. But you're doing well anyway. You're getting out to Ontario, buddy.
Yeah, nice one, Glenn. Nice one. Yeah, let's wind me mast up, get my mast up in the air.
Yeah, them winds have been awful, haven't they, mate?
Yeah, they have, mate, yeah.
Yeah, I've had mine lowered for quite a while. About 2 weeks, I think.
Yeah, I've had both my masts at this lowest point, but I've got another 21-foot scaffold pole and a 10-foot pole to go in that, and I'm going to put my vertical on that so I can stop on all the time then while my masts are down.
Yeah, a lot stronger. That will work well, that will, Paul. No doubt about it. Okay, buddy, I'm just going to take a standby and get back to Drew, and we'll go again on the next burst of skip there, yeah?
Yeah, all right then, mate. Nice one, Glenn, and Happy New Year, mate.
Yeah, same to you. Best wishes, Paul. All the very best for 2024. Happy New Year.
Cheers, mate.